Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks traded mixed on Friday as Japanese investors shifted their assets to safe havens on global growth fears, and the health of the Chinese manufacturing industry remained a concern. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index fell 0.65%. China's Shanghai Composite Index rose 0.85%, while Japan's Nikkei 225 Index was down 1.68%. On Thursday, US stocks fell due to soft US manufacturing, housing and jobless claims reports, while soft earnings also pushed broader equities indices lower. At the close of US trading, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1.07%, the S&P 500 Index fell 0.89%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 0.57%. The Asian session was fairly uneventful for the euro as it moved within a tight range against the US. The euro opened at 1.3548, hitting lows of 1.3531 and highs of 1.3555. Overnight, the euro broke out of its slump against the US, gaining 150 points to reach highs of 1.3697, opening today over a cent stronger at 1.3693. Heading into the weekend, there is limited data being released. However, investors will be watching the UK and the Europe for direction while waiting cautiously for the next week's US Federal Reserve decision on interest rates. Overnight, the Australian dollar lost further ground against the US, hitting lows of 0.8733 and opens this morning at 0.8761. A quiet Friday on the data front with no notable data for Asia, the Eurozone or the US. Today's scheduled possible Eurozone credit rating changes include France, Germany and the UK. Canada December Consumer Price Index 1330 GMT. Core Price Index, excluding the volatile food and energy prices, is expected to have increased at 1.3% from a year ago, slightly higher than the 1.1% inflation seen in November. The Bank of Canada's inflation target range is 1 to 3%, with the midpoint of 2% being the goal. It was the latest market news provided by iGrow FX. Goodbye.